and let's go find out what he's up to. Maybe he went to go get something to eat. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna go get my food and heat it up and eat it. Put a new battery in you guys. I got some leftover grub from Baby Bear Burger. This was called the pig pile. It was amazing. It's like fries with a bunch of cowboy beans and whole pork. I'm gonna scarf it down. Thought. If you ever get the chance, when you're in Jackson, Michigan, swing by Baby Bear Burger. Try the pig pile. If you like barbecue, you won't be disappointed. Surely I'm getting all the lines in there. I haven't been recording a lot today because they got the music going on in the background, and also it's a lot of marking and stuff. I don't think you guys will find that very interesting. So a lot of marking with various gauges, and so trying to figure out things to show you guys. I'm gonna do the back sides now. Front sides are marked out, and the back sides. Yes. What? Are you ready? No. No?
3:30.
Boo!
Am I really good at that?
No, Rami is.
Remember, he fought for it.
Yeah, I want it. If you guys could do a little more up here, a little more organizing.
Well, so long, Sam Buford. Me and Noah are the last ones here tonight. And I'm leaving Noah. The place is in good hands. I got a long drive home. Goodbye, Sam Buford. Goodbye.